the sense of community. Because, siyempre, hindi tayo puwedeng parang mabubuhay lang tayo on our own na parang tayo lang ba naka-experience nito? No, that hindi gano'n. So, here in this particular program, we are asking, we are inviting everyone who yung parang nakakaramdam ng ganong klaseng pakiramdam kasi we understand. And, we would also like for you guys to express yourselves freely with us. You can rant, you can, you speak your mind, kung ano man yung mga naranasan nyo. Kasi somehow, we know that makakatulong yun. It can help to parang ma-alleviate yung whatever it is that bothers us. Yung mga ganong klaseng problema na ano. Kasi if we don't, release those particular kind of feeling at sa sarili natin parang it's going to parang pwedeng ma-hit yung health, magkaroon tayo ng health problems and all that. And nakakaano rin yung magkaroon tayo ng issues with our mental health. Ganun.